Hey learners, this is Janvi. Welcome to Unfold AI. So, in today's video, we will understand the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. And our agenda for today's session is as follows. First, we will start the session by understanding the general meaning of the word method. Second, we will understand what artificial intelligence is. Next, we will understand what machine learning is. Then we will understand what deep learning is. And finally, we will see a diagrammatic representation of how artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are related. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin the session, guys. Okay, so let's first understand the meaning of the word method. So the word method is defined as a process or a procedure to do a task. That is, in simple terms, we can say that method is like a set of instructions or a step-by-step procedure to accomplish a task. Okay, and there can be many ways or methods to accomplish a task, guys. That means the methods to accomplish a task can be many, but the end goal will remain the same with respect to the given task. So for example, let's consider the task of preparing the cake batter. Okay, so there are many ways to prepare the cake batter, guys. That is, some people may beat the batter first and then add the remaining ingredients. Some people may mix all the ingredients at once. Some people may mix wet and dry ingredients separately, etc. Okay, so all of these ways of preparing the cake batter are known as methods. Okay, and even though the processes are different, the end goal, that is, the task of preparing the cake batter, remains the same for all these processes. So that's what the method is in brief, guys. Okay, now let's get into our main topic. So let's first understand what artificial intelligence is. Okay, so guys, we have seen in the previous video that the term artificial intelligence is defined in many ways, and one of the way of defining the term artificial intelligence is as follows. That is, artificial intelligence is referred to as a field of study that deals with the study and development of intelligent machines. Okay, that means the goal of artificial intelligence field is to study and develop machines that have intelligence. Okay, and intelligence is defined in many ways as capabilities like learning, being creative, having common sense, being sensible, etc. Okay, and all these capabilities are known as characteristics of intelligence. Okay, so a machine with all these characteristics is known as an intelligent machine. But guys, building an intelligent machine that has all of these characteristics of intelligence is extremely challenging and tough to accomplish. Hence, the artificial intelligence researchers split the goal of developing an intelligent machine into several sub-goals, guys. For example, one sub-goal is to develop learning capabilities in machines. The other sub-goal is to develop understanding capabilities. And the other sub-goal is to develop movements in machines, and so on, etc. Okay, and so these are all these are known as other main sub goals of artificial intelligence, guys. Okay, and artificial intelligence researchers believe that achieving all of these sub goals will help them reach their ultimate goal of creating well developed intelligent machines, guys. That is, machines that have all the characteristics of intelligence as shown here. Okay, so that's what intelligence is in brief, guys. Okay, and if you want to learn more about artificial intelligence in detail, then please do watch my previous video. I will include a link in the description. Okay, so next let's understand what machine learning is. So guys, the term machine learning is referred to as a field that deals with understanding and building learning methods, and these methods give machines the capability to learn. Okay, in simple terms, we can say that machine learning is all about developing learning capabilities in machines. Okay, and guys, in the previous slide, we have already seen that the task of developing learning capabilities in machines is one of the sub goals of artificial intelligence, right? Hence, we can say that machine learning is a part or a branch of artificial intelligence. Okay, and that's how machine learning and artificial intelligence are related, guys. Okay, so that's what machine learning is in brief, guys. And we will learn more about machine learning in future videos. Okay, so next let's understand what deep learning is. So guys, deep learning is defined as a learning method. Okay, a learning method that uses the concept of artificial neural networks to give machines the capability to learn. That is, in simple terms, we can say that the deep learning is a process that gives machines their learning capability. Okay, and guys, in the previous slide, we have already learned that machine learning deals with building learning methods to give machines the learning capabilities, right? And as deep learning is also a learning method that gives machines the ability to learn, we can refer deep learning as a machine learning method. Okay, and as deep learning is considered as a machine learning method, we can say that deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Okay, so that's how deep learning and machine learning are related, guys. Okay, and we will learn more about deep learning, artificial neural networks in future videos. Okay, so now let's have a quick recap of what we have learned in this video. Okay, so to summarize, we can say that artificial intelligence is a field of study that deals with developing intelligent machines, whereas machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that deals with developing learning methods for machines, and deep learning is a machine learning method that gives machines the ability to learn. And this is how we represent the relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning diagrammatically. Okay, so artificial intelligence is considered as an umbrella term, while machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence and deep learning is a subset of machine learning. And some people also refer deep learning as a subfield of artificial intelligence. As you can see here, deep learning is a part of machine learning, and as machine learning itself is a part of artificial intelligence, we can say that deep learning is also a part of artificial intelligence, guys. Okay, and guys, one more thing, often people use all these three terms interchangeably, but remember guys, all these three terms are different but they are related. Okay, so that's the brief session on how artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning are related, guys. Okay, and I hope this session is helpful for you guys. So that's it for this video, guys. See you all in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is informative. Thanks for watching. Bye.